Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Smart, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence. I'm Mr. Alex, your English teacher for today.
Hi, Mr. Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm really excited for today's topic because I always want to sound more natural when I talk to people in English.
Exactly, Emma. Many English learners study grammar and vocabulary, but what really helps in real life are phrases, short, natural expressions we use every day.
That's true. Sometimes I know the words, but I don't know the right way to say them in conversation.
That's where today's lesson comes in. We'll learn some essential English phrases you can use in daily conversations, at work, at school, or just chatting with friends. Ready?
Let's go.
When you meet someone, instead of only saying hello, try these. Hey, how's it going? What's up? How have you been? They sound friendly and natural.
Oh, I've heard what's up so many times in movies. Can I use it with anyone?
Good question. You can say what's up to friends or people your age, but with a teacher or boss, it's better to say how are you or how have you been?
Got it. So what's up is for casual situations.
Exactly. After greeting someone, you need ways to keep talking. Try these phrases. Really? Tell me more. That's interesting. No way. Are you serious?
I like no way. It sounds fun.
Yes, it adds emotion. Using these small phrases helps you sound natural and shows that you're listening.
Sometimes I want to share about my day, but I don't know what to say besides, I went to school.
Then use phrases like, it's been a busy day. I had a long day at work. I just wanted to relax at home. These make your speech more expressive.
Oh, so instead of only saying I'm tired, I can say it's been a long day.
Exactly. That's how native speakers sound natural. Let's look at some phrases for daily life. When ordering food, can I get a coffee, please? Could I have the menu? That's all for now, thank you.
That's simple but polite. I like that.
When shopping, how much does this cost? Do you have this in another color? I'm just looking, thank you.
Those are super useful. I always get nervous when shopping abroad.
These phrases will make it much easier for you. Before leaving a conversation, don't just walk away. Use these. It was nice talking to you. Catch you later. See you around.
So polite and friendly. I'll try saying catch you later next time.
Perfect. Let's quickly review. We learned phrases for starting a conversation, keeping it going, talking about your day, everyday situations, and ending politely.
I love this list. It makes conversations sound real, not like a textbook.
Exactly the goal, Emma. Remember, the key to fluency is using these phrases regularly.
So I should practice them in daily life, maybe even talk to myself in English.
That's a great idea. Practice builds confidence. Before we end, let's summarize today's key phrases. Greetings. Hey, how's it going? What's up? Showing interest. Really? No way. That's interesting. Talking about your day. It's been a busy day. In daily life, can I get, how much is this? I'm just looking. Ending conversations. It was nice talking to you. Catch you later.
Thank you, Mr. Alex. I learned so many natural expressions today.
You're very welcome, Emma. And thank you to everyone listening. Practice these phrases and soon your English will sound natural and confident.
See you in the next episode.
Catch you later.